Good morning. The Bhagavad Gita by Sri Paramahamsa Yogananda, the author of the famous the autobiography of a yogi. So we'll be discussing today chapter 14, verse 3. And before that, this is the 121st lecture series in this channel. Those who are interested in this topic may kindly subscribe, and also if they resonate something with me and if they think this video will be useful for some others, their friends or relatives, kindly forward this to them. Okay, today it's page number 906, verse 3, chapter 14. It says, the womb is the great Prakriti, Mahat Brahma, into which I deposit the seed of my intelligence. This is the cause of the birth of all beings. The verse says, my womb. My womb means here all this conversation is between, the title says, the royal science of God realization, the immortal dialogue between the soul and the spirit. That means the consciousness and the spirit. It says, my womb. So who says this? The consciousness says this. Is the great Prakriti. That means the Mahat Brahma, into which I deposit. Who deposit? The consciousness deposit the seed. And seed means of my intelligence. So that is what we call the difference between intellect and intelligence. Intellect comes with the five senses, that comes to the personality. And consciousness is the real. This is the cause of the birth of all being. So all might wonder, what is the cause of our birth? So in this verse it clearly says, I am depositing the seed of intelligence. Who? The consciousness to the spirit. Here who is the messenger? Krishna is the messenger, and Krishna is not the consciousness. So here it says the divine or spirit is here proclaimed as the father, mother of all phenomenal life. So all phenomenal, all living beings, the father and mother is the divine, or the consciousness, is the original first cause of creation. This is the first cause of creation. So when we think about creation, we have to think about our DNA. What is our DNA? We should go behind. So what were we before as a human being? So it says that it all started from a big bang, then minerals came, then plants came, then animals came, then human being came. So what is our DNA? So our DNA goes back to these plants, animals, and what you call the minerals. Then before that, what was there? Before, it all started with a sound, that is the Big Bang. Before Big Bang, what was the state? That is the state of consciousness. There is nothing. There is no two. Everywhere, all the living beings, we were one. That is called consciousness. Is the original first cause of creation. Spirit as Moola Prakriti, the unmanifested differentiation of the absolute. So this is the dilemma we face. We feel it as different. It's a macro and a micro. One macro is there, and all living beings are micro of it. That doesn't mean this is different. See, we are using, it says, the womb of spirit as Moola Prakriti, the unmanifested differentiation of the absolute. Mahabrahma, or the great Prakriti, is the womb of primordial matter impregnated with the reflected intelligence of spirit, the seed of all future. The essence is intelligence. And we all think we are matter. That means the energy, the electron, neutron and proton. Even quantum physics have discarded it. Actually, there is no matter. In quantum physics, it says everything is connected. The string theory, it says everything is connected. So science is coming towards spirituality, and people in the name of science, they reject spirituality. That is due to absolute ignorance of science, reflecting itself in the vibratory metrics of cosmic nature as Kudashta intelligence. Spirit then starts the work of creation. In unalloyed cosmic consciousness, that means the unity. See, already we are in unity, we are in cosmic consciousness, but due to ignorance, we think differently. No creation is possible. So without this cosmic consciousness, no creation is possible. By bringing into the activities the cosmic storm of Prakriti or Maya, the delusive. So the Maya is one term. If we understand Maya, everything is there. What is Maya? We think we are this body. We think we are the matter. Or we think we are the electron, neutron, proton. So even quantum physics have discarded it. Everything is connected. All spiritual books or all religion says the same thing. You take the Hindu scriptures, Christian scriptures, or the Chinese Taoism or Buddhism, you name anything. Go to Google and search. There are 278 countries, and go to all the countries and analyze all the religion. The essence is same. Everything says consciousness is one. For consciousness, there is nothing different from it. God produces from his own ocean of formless infinitude the endless finite waves of creation. So this is what says in this verse. So in this lecture, see, in my previous lecture I have clearly mentioned what is consciousness awareness through different books, through different languages or different versions I have given. So those who are interested in this topic, because this is a secret thing, this Bhagavad Gita says, it's not meant for all. So it needs a long process, a deep study. As normally says that if you want to get a habit, you have to spend 10,000 hours. Research says that. So spirituality is not a casual subject. It will not enter into anyone by mere reading. So thank you. Thank you.